Easy Ballast. Proven and trusted with the John Deere 7R series, is now also available for the 6R230 and 6R250. The hassle of attaching or removing wheel weights when switching between road and field applications is now a thing of the past for the 6R Extra Large models too. Switching the Easy Ballast weight from the 7R to the 6R or vice versa is also possible. Very simply and conveniently, you can add or remove 1.7 tons within seconds, all while staying comfortably seated in the cab. The ideal weight split of 60% on the rear axle and 40% on the front axle remains unchanged. Adding the weight is just as easy. Simply drive the tractor over the weight. Once the tractor is in position, unlock the device and lower the arm. Move the tractor forward to capture the weight. Once the weight has been caught, simply lift it off the ground, lock the weight in place, and you're ready to go. Easy Ballast makes it easy for you to save time and fuel while increasing your productivity.